Okay, this is the 98 Chevy Silverado, 7.4 liter. Finished getting the engine back together with the new injectors. Installed a new K&N filter. There's the new plug wires from Summit. The installation kit for the wires, separators, billet. That was sold at Summit Racing. We have here our blue Mustang GT injectors, just like mine, except for mine are yellow Bosch. Those happen to be blue. There's a 20 pound per hour. My truck's a 19 pound per hour. Overall, the install come out pretty good and pretty clean. And I'll crank it up so you can hear how it sounds. Overall clean truck for the year. We did put a dash cover on it. We have some LED lights installed. We have the front 20-inch light bar, and we have the rear 4-inch pods, regular lights, and strobe if you're on the side of the road. Of course, we got the Alpine radio installed with the Bluetooth speaker. Seat had to be repaired. It's got some new floor mats. And the billet grill that goes to the front is in the back. I have not finished installing it, along with a brand new spare tire. The tent in the rear needs to be removed and all new tent put on the truck. This was the one that was in a wreck on the other side. I had to replace the springs because it broke the leaf springs. New shocks. I did get the exhaust fixed, the pumpkin, go through all the bearings and seals in the rear end. There's our lights, our backup camera, and this is the fender that's been replaced. All we're waiting on now is our friend that runs the paint shop to call us and say he's ready to paint it. That's the update for this. I will hit the gas a few times, let you hear it. And for anybody installing LED light bars or any type of fog lights, always use a relay. Those relays will keep you from catching your truck on fire. Add an aftermarket fuse block. Turn your toggle switches off the fuse box. With that, she's done. Later, guys.